how to see your map location, or you can go anywhere. You can drive by your map to see your location. But the first thing is show you click the map. Yeah. And then if you start driving, click here, then start driving here. And if you start driving here, where you can set destination. You can set your own destination, and then you go. If you want to look by satellite, then look by satellite. Yeah, satellite here. And then set destination. Where are you going? You want to go home? You want to go your home? It means my home.